I've got a call for a brake job, and while I was working on it, I found out a little bit more. Sway bar is broken here, and link is over here. And we of course need to mention bad wheel bearings. So we've got a new parts. Kaboom! 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 Something like that. Bah. Done. That's why we want to replace all of them. Look at those new balls. Oh, cheap bastards. Let's grease our new bushings. Oh look, we have a grease leak over here. Oh yeah. One more thing that I noticed, this little bit hole in control arm probably should be taken care of. I would say control arm should be replaced, probably both of them. And that grease leak, as you can see, all this stuff is a grease, and it's gonna be next challenge.